Hello friends, welcome back. Homonyms. Homonyms means words that share the same spellings or pronunciation but have different meanings. First one, bark. Meaning one, the sound made by a dog. Meaning two, the outer covering of a tree. Next one, bank. First meaning, a financial institution. Second meaning is the side of a river. Next one, bowl. Meaning one, a round container. Meaning two, to deliver a ball in cricket. Next one, bear, a large wild animal. In Kannada, karadi. The second meaning is to tolerate or carry. It means hold or transport something. Next one, chest. Meaning one, the front part of the body. Meaning two, a large storage box. Next one, fair. Meaning one, just and reasonable. Meaning two, a public entertainment event. Next one, crane. Meaning one, a large necked bird. Meaning two, a machine used for lifting. Next one, punch. Meaning one, to hit with a fist. Meaning two, a mixed fruit drink. Next one, pool. Meaning one, a small body of water. Meaning two, a collection of resources. Next one, school. Meaning one, an educational institution. Meaning two, a group of fish. Next one, tender. It means gentle or soft. Meaning two, a formal offer to supply work. Next one, arms. Meaning one, upper limbs of the body. Meaning two, weapons. Next one, case. Meaning one, a container or covering. Meaning two, a matter examined by a court. Next one, wave. Meaning one, a moving ridge of water. Meaning two, to move the hand in greeting. Next one, current. Meaning one, happening now. Meaning two, a flow of water or electricity. Next word, palm. Meaning one, the inner surface of the hand. Meaning two, a tropical tree. Next one, pupil. Meaning one, a school student. Meaning two, the dark center of the eye. Next one, cap. Meaning one, a head covering. Meaning two, a strict limit on prices or spending or growth. Next one, duck. Meaning one, a water bird. Meaning two, to lower the head quickly. Next one, fair. Meaning one, just and reasonable. Meaning two, a public entertainment event. Next one, file. Meaning one, a collection of documents. Meaning two, a tool used to smooth surfaces. Next one, left. Meaning one, the direction opposite to right. Meaning two, past tense of leave. Next one, sole. Meaning one, the bottom of a foot or shoe. Meaning two, the only one. Next one, bright. Meaning one, full of light. Meaning two, intelligent. Next one, lie. Meaning one, to rest in a horizontal position. Meaning two, to say something untrue. Next one, toast. Meaning one, bread browned by heat. Meaning two, a short speech honoring someone. Next one, address. Meaning one, the location of a place. Meaning two, to speak formally to someone. Last one, balance. Meaning one, a state of stability. Meaning two, money remaining in an account. Dear friends, hope you understood the difference between these homonyms. Before closing, those who are watching my channel without subscription, please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. And also like, comment and share my videos among your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.